Yo guys, what is up? Lucas and Asa here. Today we are going to be doing a what's in the box challenge. Basically what this challenge is we both got 5 hidden items for each other, and we're going to put it in the box for the other person to feel and try to guess what it is. The loser at the end of this challenge has to do a loser dare. Right now it's going to be Asa's turn to feel one of the items that I picked, so I'll go do that right now. So Asa, close your eyes and we'll be ready when I get back. Okay, now Asa has to feel the item that I picked out.
Can they see the item?
Yes.
Oh, this is actually really scary. Ew. 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 What is this? It's like gooey.
How does it feel?
It's like really gooey.
Do you have an idea of what it is yet?
But it's cold. Oh, I think I know what it is.
What?
It's jelly.
Nope.
What?
Wrong guess. Okay, so Asa lost that round.
Yeah, what is it?
It's actually an egg yolk.
Ew! 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 Okay, so now Lucas has to feel. I'm gonna go get my own real quick. Close your eyes, Lucas. Okay, let's go get my own now. Lucas, keep your eyes closed. Okay, open. Okay, Lucas, go. You can feel now. Ready?
Oh, it's wet. It feels like meat.
Okay.
Feels like meat. I really don't know.
You gotta guess something.
I can smell it. Oh man, I forget that smell.
Hey, stop trying to smell it. That's cheating. It's supposed to just be your hands.
I'm gonna guess chicken.
That's your guess?
Yeah.
That is incorrect.
Ah.
It is sardines.
Oh, right. That's what it
Sorry.
smells like. Fish.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so Lucas was wrong. Now I'm gonna go up and he's gonna get his next item for me.
Okay, so you can open your eyes now. Alright, it's your turn to guess.
I'm guessing if it's a ball, it's another food item.
Yeah.
Food item. Okay. Ew, ew, what in the, ew.
The right thing it was whipped cream. So, okay, so now Asa has 2 wrong and I just have 1 wrong. Hopefully I get the next one right.
Okay, Lucas, close your eyes. Okay. Let me get my item right here. I'm gonna set that on. Lucas, are your eyes closed? Okay. Okay, you can open your eyes. Put this on your nose so you can't smell it. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Go for the item.
Okay. Feels like a spice.
paprika. Is it? Oh yes. The heck?
Your voice sounds so weird because of the clothespin.
Is it Cajun?
Is that your guess?
Yes.
No, it is not.
What is
It
it?
is not a spice at all, actually.
The heck?
It's a Keurig cup, but
Oh,
put into a bowl.
it's coffee.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why, because I knew that if I said you could just say spice, I knew that would like give it away.
That's
that it
really
wasn't
hard.
a spice. Yeah. Okay. So Lucas got it wrong. Hopefully, I'll be able to get the first one right this time. Here we go.
Asa, get off your phone. Close your eyes. Asa? No, like, get off your phone. Close your eyes. Come on. Alright. Okay, Asa, you can open your eyes, but you're gonna need to plug your nose for this one, maybe.
My nose is already running.
Plug your nose. All the way. Okay, so it's your turn to pick,
Okay.
and guess what's inside the box.
There's another ball.
Ew, 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 ew. What the heck is this?
Any ideas?
Oh, I know what this is. It's that pepper stuff. It's like mushed up peppers.
Is that your final
Yes.
guess?
Yes.
Nope, that's incorrect. It's relish.
Ugh.
Alright, so am I in the head of you right now? Am I ahead of you?
No, it's still 1-1. It's still 1-1.
Okay, here we go. This is my item right here. Okay, Lucas, close your eyes and plug your nose.
Is it like a normal thing, or is it like two things mixed?
No, it's a normal thing.
This type of food?
I can't tell you.
It's very liquidy. Did you put water inside?
I can't tell you.
Well, I heard the sink running.
I can't tell you. Come on, just make a guess.
Sauerkraut.
That's your
Wait.
That's your guess.
I don't know. Is it
Oh my
cabbage? Is it
gosh.
cabbage?
Is it cabbage?
No.
That's your guess.
I don't want to lose.
You won't lose. You still have one more item after this to give me, and then I have another item, so you could still guess right on there and take the lead.
It's cabbage. It's a cabbage. That's my final.
That's your final guess?
Yep.
No, it is not. You
What
were
is it?
incorrect.
The heck?
It's, bro.
Oh.
What are you doing? There's water everywhere now.
What the heck? Oh, it's peppers.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, you're cleaning that up though.
Okay.
Okay.
So get off your phone and close your eyes. It's my turn. Alright. Okay, so you can open your eyes now. Let's go. Come on.
What do you want?
Alright, it's your turn.
He's tied.
Or at least tie.
Ew. Ew. What is that? Ew. That's just ew. Yeah, I think it's.
Is that your
slime.
final guess? Slime?
Yeah. Slime. Slime's my
Okay,
final guess.
that's wrong. It's
What?
actually peanut butter. So you lose that one.
Okay. Open them.
I gotta get this right, or else I gotta get this right, or else me and Asa end in a tie. You better make this like really hard, or else
It was way too easy. I should have made it harder. You mean I win?
I guess it's I win. Feels like a tube. Oh, but there's a cap on the top. It's a water bottle.
Yeah, it's a water bottle.
That's easy. Alright, I win.
Okay, so I have to do the loser dare. So hopefully it's not going to be that bad. So here we go.
So for Asa's loser dare, he's gonna have to text anyone he wants. So
Not who I want, you got to choose.
yeah, I get to choose. So I'm gonna pick right now who I get to text, and then we're gonna see their reaction. Yep, right there. Yep, okay.
And I just say, hey, guess what? I really like you.
Yeah, say, hey, guess what? One message. Next message,
Okay.
I really like you, and wait for. Okay, so Asa, I had to pick who Asa was gonna text, and I said this one girl, and he says, hey, I have to tell you something. And now I have to wait for her to respond, and hopefully we get a good reaction. Okay. So she responded, and she said, what?
Okay. I really like you. See what she says. Okay, so she didn't respond. I'm not gonna text her again because that's just gonna like.
She's like probably speechless right now.
Yeah.
Doesn't know what to say.
Yeah. Because she's like one of my like closer friends, so that's kind of weird to say that, but yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below on what you think we should make our next video on.
Also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss the next time we upload. Also, link in the description for our new website that we created. Make sure you go check that out.
It also has all of our merch on there, and it talks about what we do on our channel.
See you guys later.
See ya!